Hello, what is up everybody? It's the Silver Spartan back with another video. So today, as you can see, I did another 90% junk silver pickup. So right here, I don't know if you can see, but I got some Franklin's half dollars and some junk silver quarters. So I did this deal with a local guy that's around here. It's really nice getting connections with people in your area, just finding out other people that are interested in silver and stuff like that, so that you can make trades over time, switch it up. Hopefully you get the better deal, or maybe both of you win because you both like the deal that you're making. So I was happy with this because these were all in pretty nice condition. They were pretty much all 64s, 63s, basically all in the 60s. All these right here are 64s. Great condition, very little wear, so I'm happy with these. And then with the Franklin's, condition wasn't amazing or anything, but it was like, I was happy with it. Nothing near slicks on any of them. All have nice, very well seen designs. So Franklin's, for the most part, I'm always happy with because they generally, for the most part, rarely have a lot of wear. For the most part, they're pretty uniform. So near term and long term. So first off, $20 face value, $20 face value. So in the halves, that's 40 of them, and with the quarters, that's 80 of them. I picked these up for right around spot price. I think it was it was a couple cents over, a couple cents under. I don't really remember, so it's a pretty great deal to get pretty much at spot. It was just, I'm spacing, it was like 4 cents over or 4 cents under. I can't remember which. It was just at the time, it was like whatever spot price was at, we just did that amount because it made it a pretty even number for me to pay. And I also did some trading too. It was a little bit of both. So near-term and long-term goals. Near-term, I'm trying to get more of both of these, and long-term, I'm actually trying to switch out the Walkers and the JFK halves that I have for Franklin's. And there are people in my area that are willing to do that pretty much just coin for coin. They don't really care. And the reason for this is just because I'm trying to get a $100 face value bag of these somewhat in the near term, because I think that'd be pretty cool just to have a nice uniform amount. And then also, I'm trying to get, right now, I think I have $160, $170 approximately face value of junk silver quarters, and I'd love to get that to $200 in the shorter term. More long term, go to about $250, because a lot of people refer to as a full bag of junk silver as $1,000 face value. So if I can get to a quarter bag, which would be the $250 face value, that'd be pretty cool. So I've got about, if I've got 160, I've got 90, or 170, I've got 80. So I've got between $80 and $90 face value away from that. So it is a probably more of a long-term goal, several months or whatever, but I do hope I'll get there. And along with that, so basically I'm going to be switching out most of my junk silver, not including the Morgan dollars and peace dollars that are 0.177 or whatever compared to the 0.715 that's junk silver. Those are different, but for straight 90%, with the halves, quarters, and dimes, I'm mainly going to be trying to get to $250 in quarters and $100 in Franklin halves. So I'm going to be losing a lot of the like diversity, I guess you could say, of different types of coins. Variety would probably be a better word, of Walkers, JFKs, Franklins, and then with these a whole bunch of other stuff and dimes. But I really just kind of want to make it more like 2 bags, just so it's simpler for me to do math, nicer, just to have it be more organized, let's say, because right now it's kind of all over the place with all the random stuff that I have. So hopefully I'll be getting to $250 face value in quarters and $100 face value in halves sometime soon. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to check out the free silver giveaway that I'm doing for subscribers. It's in one of my more recent videos. If you go and check out videos on my channel, you'll be able to find it. And also, please make sure to subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and leave a comment. What do you think? Do you like quarters, halves? What's your favorite half dollar? Just let me know. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Peace out.